Please sit comfortably. Back is straight but not stiff. Gently closing our eyes and having intention to bring your attention inside you and resting into awareness. While resting into this awareness, we are going to feel our body sitting. Then through our attention, we are going to scan our body from bottom to top. And as we are scanning our body, whatever we feel, any kind of sensations, any kind of movement, vibrations, tightness, pressure, temperature, anything that is available to notice, we will gently notice it. So, as we are scanning our attention through our body, our attention is curious. It's also courageous. That means if we found a sensation which is difficult or it's hard, still we are seeing it, we are accepting it as it is there. And it has to be gentle or caring. That means if the sensation needs more space for it to get allowed, we give it a more space. If it needs more gentleness, more caring, we can give our appreciative or caring attitude. Sometimes we need to use a word as a best wishes or blessings. These are needs to be general phrases like may you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be healthy. So with this caring, curious and courageous attitude or attention, we are going to scan our body, feeling whatever is available to feel and accept it as it is. Sometimes we might hear some sounds as we are scanning or feel any touch or any sensation that come from outside of this body. If they come, we gently notice them and again we bring our attention to our body. Resting into our awareness. Letting our body relax, settle down. And we are feeling or seeing our body as a witnessing mode. So, in witnessing mode, there is no me involved. So, any kind of thought, if arise which contains me and mine thing, we surrender all kind of me, mine thoughts into this witnessing mode or sakshi bhav. Resting into awareness, feeling our body. If any sensations come from the outside, seeing that in a witnessing mode and accepting anything and everything that happens in the experience. Accepting doesn't mean we agree, but we see it, without involvement of me and mine, just as an phenomenon or experience. Also, seeing our mind, seeing what kind of attitude is present in the mind right now. What is my mind state right now? Just looking at it. It could be calm, pleasant, or it could be having some heavy energy, some dullness, or some confusion, or some emotions, whatever. So instead of investigating content of it, just seeing what kind of mind state is present right now, what are the emotions there. Resting into awareness, feeling our mind, accepting whatever it is there, and also seeing if any thoughts arise, as it's a mind's job to think. So sometimes automatic thought arise. So if the thought arise, just looking at it as an phenomenon or experience without identifying ourselves with that thought. Sometimes we come to aware of the thoughts after few thoughts have passed. So that time when we got carried away into thoughts, that is a time when we have started thinking. So if you notice that for a time being without thinking, just seeing what's arising naturally and bringing your attention either to your breath or to the noise that comes to your ear. Resting into awareness, feeling body breathing in and out, feeling experiences happening in the mind as they are, feeling sensations happening in the body as they are, sensations that come from outside as they are. Just resting into awareness and witnessing everything in the Sakshi Bhav. We are resting into awareness, and this awareness is present in each one of us, in all living beings. Content of awareness might be different in each body, but everyone has this awareness. It's present all over the universe. As we are able to let go of me and mine thoughts, we can get our awareness into increased radius. All living beings have some kind of body. All humans have bodies. These all bodies are made up of same five basic elements. earth, water, fire, air, space. All bodies are composed of same elements. All body has same awareness. The content and composition could be different. They are all have same basic elements. As this awareness has a sakshi bhav, witnessing mood, it also has a shanti bhav, peacefulness. It also has chaitanya, wholeness, knowledge or wisdom. And it's also Ananda Swarup. By surrendering me and mine concept into this awareness, we can be one with this awareness. This awareness, this Atma Tattva present in the body, present in the universe, it's called as Paramatma, and sound Om. All are one. All are Akshaya. Akshaya means they are always alive. Chaitanya is always alive. Atma, Paramatma. And so as sound Om. These are always alive. With this understanding, let's chant sound Om by being one with it. Take a nice breath in. As we just chanted this Om, we will same way chant Akshar Japamala. Akshar are also Akshaya. That means they never get destroyed. They are always alive, just like Atma or Paramatma. Before we do this Akshar Japamala, we will bow down to Sri Ganesha Tattva. We will chant its mantra Om Gang Ganapataya Namaha few times, same with oneness and with great devotion and love. Om Gang Ganapataye Namaha. 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 We'll also bow down to Shakti Tattva, Devi Tattva, and Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesha Tattva, and finally to Sri Guru Tattva, which is present in all of us, guiding us towards our highest goal. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha. Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Gurave Namaha. Gurave Namaha. Bringing attention to your breath, feeling breath going in and out, trying to hear the subtlest sound of breath as air goes in and air comes out. We can hear the sound so as air goes in and aham as air comes out. So means this atma, soul, awareness. And aham means this body and mind. This awareness, this atma is beyond this body and mind, is present within the body. It's Chaitanya Swarup, always alive, and that is who am I. With this understanding, let's listen to Soham sound with your breath coming in and out. And normal breathing. Let's do few rounds of Anulom Vilom Pranayam with thumb of right hand. Close your right nostril. Breathe in from left. Breathe out from right. Breathe in from right. Breathe out from left. And do few rounds by your own. And normal natural breathing. Let's do prayer of the akshars before we start our jap. इस ब्रह्मांड के सर्व देवी देवता, सर्व साधु संत, नवग्रहादि देवता, पंचमहाभूत देवता, अक्षर देवता, मातृदेव, पितृदेव, गुरुदेव, वास्तुदेव, स्थान देवता, इन सबको विनम्रता पूर्वक प्रणाम करते हुए प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि इस क्षण से मेरे संपर्क में आने वाले हर एक व्यक्ति के जीवन में मेरे दर्शन से, स्पर्श से, संभाषण से और स्मरण से सुख, शांति, समृद्धि, उत्तम आरोग्य और निरोगी दीर्घायुष्य का लाभ हो। उनकी सत्सत विवेक बुद्धि जागृत होकर उनसे सत्कार्य, सत्कर्म हो। मेरे सब कुटुंबियों के जीवन में और मेरे जीवन में सुख, शांति, समृद्धि, उत्तम आरोग्य और निरोगी दीर्घायुष्य का सबको लाभ हो। हमारी सतसत विवेक बुद्धि जागृत होकर हमसे सत्कार्य सत्कर्म हो और इस जीवन का यथार्थ सार्थक हो, यही परमेश्वर चरणी प्रार्थना। We will do Akshar Japamala in a straight way and a reverse way, total 11 times. Let's start. Om. Am, im, rum, lum, aim, aha. Kham, gam. Cham, yam. Tam, dum, nam. Tam, dum, nam. Pam, bam, mum. Yam, lam, sham. Sham, ram, nyam. Oh. ॐ न्यं क्षं लं हं सं शं शं वं लं रं यं मं भं बं फं पं नं धं दं थं तं णं ढं डं ठं टं यं झं झं छं चं घं घं कं अहा अं औं ॐ ऐं ऐं लूं लूं रूं रूं ॐ ॐ ईं ईं आं अं ओ. Let's do round 3 by being one with each akshar. These are made up of 5 elements. So is our body and mind. Om. Am, im, rum, aim, aha. Kham, gam. Cham, yam. Tam, dum, nam. Tam, dum, nam. Pam, bam, mum. Yam, lam, sham. Shram, ram, nyam. Om. Om. Nyam, ram, stam, sham. Sham, lam, yam. Mam, bam, pam. Nam, dum, tam. Ram, dum, tam. Yam, cham. Gam, kam. Aha. Um. Au. O. Aim. Aim. Lu. Lu. Ru. Ru. U. U. ईम ईम आम अम ओ. Round 5, by being one with each akshar, its sound, vibration as much as you can. Om, am, im, rum, lum, aim, aha, gum, gum, jum, yum. Dum dum num. Dum num. Bum mum. Ram wam sham. Hum ram nyam. Oh. Om Nyam Sham Ram Ham Sam Sham Sham Vam Lam Ram Yam Mam Bam Pam Nam Dam Tam Dam Tam Yam Cham Ngam Aha Aum Om Em Em Loom Loom Room Room Om Im Am Om. Round 7. Om im lum aim aha. Gum jam yum. Dum dum. Dum num. Bum mum. Ram wam sham. Hum ram nyam. Oh. Om Nyam Ram Ham Sam Sham Vam Lam Ram Yam Bam Pam Nam Tam Tam Yam Cham Gum Aha Au Om Em Em Loom Loom Room Om Im Om. Round 9. Om im lum aim aha. Gum jam yum. टम ठम डम ढम णम तम थम दम धम नम पम फम बम भम मम यम रम लं वं शं शं सं हं लं क्षं ज्ञं ओ ॐ ज्ञं क्षं लं हं सं शं शं वं लं रं यं मं भं बं भं पं नं धं दं थं तं णं ढं डं ठं टं यं झं 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 चं ङं घं घं खं कं अहा अं औ ॐ ऐं ऐं लूं लूं रू रू ऊ ऊ ई ई आम अम ओ. Last round being one with Akshar Matruka. Om Am Im Rum Lum Em Aim Aha Kham Gham Ngum Cham Jam Yam टम ठम डम ढम णम तम थम दम धम नम पम फम बम भम मम यम रम लं वं शं शं सं हं लं क्षं ज्ञं ॐ. Om. And now we will chant Ram Nam, where Ram is same as your Atma, Atmaram. So the name, you and Atma, all three things are one with this oneness, devotion and love. Let's chant Ram Nam few times. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. 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 Bring attention to your body. Make some movement into your hands. Rub both hands together, generating some warmth. Giving that warmth to your area and to all of your body. Then joining both hands in front of your eyes, slowly opening your eyes and surrendering all our upasana dhyan that we just did to this lotus feet of Bhagwanta, Atman, Paramatman. And slowly opening your eyes, you may take a water that is kept next to you, blow into it 3 times. You can say Amrutodbhava, may this water act as an Amrut and heal all parts of me. With this, you can drink this water. Ram.